Hi everyone, welcome back to Know Your English Grammar. Today we will be looking at irregular verbs. Irregular verbs are verbs that do not form their past tense by adding d or ed. I have placed the most commonly used irregular verbs in 8 sets. These 8 sets of irregular verbs are grouped according to their pattern when forming the simple past tense and the past participle. Let us start with group 1. I'll give you the present tense, then the simple past tense, and then the past participle. Here we go. Bring, brought, brought. Think, thought, thought. Buy, bought, bought. Seek, sought, sought. Teach, taught, taught. Fight, fought, fought. Group number 2. Begin, began, begun. Drink, drank, drunk. Ring, rang, rung. Sing, sang, sung. Spring, sprang, sprung. Shrink, shrank, shrunk. Sink, sank, sunk. Swim, swam, swum. Run, ran, run. Group number 3. Feel, felt, felt. Keep, kept, kept. Sleep, slept, slept. Sweep, swept, swept. Weep, wept, wept. Leave, left, left. Spend, spent, spent. Lend, lent, lent. Bend, bent, bent. Mean, meant, meant. Deal, dealt, dealt. Group number 4. Know, knew, known. Grow, grew, grown. Throw, threw, thrown. Swear, swore, sworn. Wear, wore, worn. Tear, tore, torn. Blow, blew, blown. Fly, flew, flown. Show, showed, shown. Draw, drew, drawn. Withdraw, withdrew, withdrawn. Group number 5. Speak, spoke, spoken. Steal, stole, stolen. Freeze, froze, frozen. Break, broke, broken. Choose, chose, chosen. Forget, forgot, forgotten. Group number 6. Eat, ate, eaten. Give, gave, given. Hide, hid, hidden. Write, wrote, written. Forbid, forbade, forbidden. Arise, arose, arisen. Strive, strove, striven. Take, took, taken. Mistake, mistook, mistaken. Fall, fell, fallen. Shake, shook, shaken. Group number 7. These verbs do not change their form. They are the same in the present tense, the past tense, and the past participle. Here we go. Cut, cut, cut. Put, put, put. Bid, bid, bid. Cost, cost, cost. Burst, burst, burst. Hurt, hurt, hurt. Let, let, let. Quit, quit, quit. Spread, spread, spread. Forecast, forecast, forecast. And our last group, group number 8. The verbs in this group do not belong to any of the other groups. Here we go. Have, had, had. Do, did, done. Go, went, gone. Come, came, come. Become, became, become. Make, made, made. Say, said, said. Win, won, won. Get, got, got. Meet, met, met. Bleed, bled, bled. Lead, led, led. Flee, fled, fled. Hold, held, held. Stand, stood, stood. Bind, bound, bound. Stick, stuck, stuck. Strike, struck, struck. String, strung, strung. And there you have it. Play this video over and over so that you become familiar with the similarities of the sound patterns for the simple past and the past participles of these irregular verbs. It was my pleasure bringing this lesson to you. For more lessons on how to improve your English grammar, please subscribe to this channel and press the notification bell so that you won't miss my next lesson. Thank you and bye.